Okay, now we have something to talk about. This particular video now is what I have been waiting for. I've been waiting for this video I've been waiting for the list. I've been waiting to reach the list. I've been waiting to get to this point so we can talk about this. What are these mistakes that new YouTubers, new content creators always make? Hey, God. Let me see to it. You know the time I say I tell us I go ask the oracles to give me the problems you my lovers are having. The oracle always at least told me that okay, at least there's this particular content that me like this I am going to like. So you too are going to like that content. So I love this video. I loved it. I loved solving this kind of problem, solving problems of doing things wrongly, right? What is these things that you guys are doing wrongly? Not just you. Me too. I did do them sometime. Even the best of all used to make this mistake. You see, but I dey excited till I forget to say my microphone like this. Now this side 9 day. I don't talk to you this side already. So even me, I make that content. I make that error sometimes. I make that mistakes. What is this mistake? Number one is to always come online and begin to tell people your family problem. As you are making content, you say you want to make content on how to make money, and all of a sudden, okay, at least it can be linked to your family problem. Maybe your family was once a time poor. You can link it back to how that poverty motivates you to make this particular content you are making on how to make money online. That one is relatable. So yes, that one is relatable. But this particular one is not relatable. You want to tell people how to grow their channel, and you are quoting scriptures for them. Hey, Jesus. Hey, wala. Where's Portable? Wala day. Once you made that mistake, you already gone. Otilo, what's the bottom line? Relevance. The bottom line here is that relevance is key. Whenever you want to create content, you need to know what you are going to be telling your audience. And that is the major mistakes content creators of this our generation always make. They don't pay attention to details as to what they are going to be telling their community even before they jump on camera. And why they do that most of the time is because of the message they get from advanced and established YouTuber they look up to. And what are these messages? You need to upload videos regularly. You need to be consistent. You need to post video at least 2 times in a week or 2 times in a day. Even those that are crazy will even tell you that post at least 5 in a day. Those crazy ones will always tell you like that, but it's super not realistic. And because of that information they got, and because of that impression they've gotten from the people they look up to, they decide to record nonsense. I'm sorry to say. They decide to start recording what Amadioha will descend from the forest and give them better blow. Do not provoke the Amadioha to come in public to blow you because you are doing the wrong thing. And the second wrong thing they always do is posting video today, and then maybe they post today 2 o'clock, and then they wait after 2 weeks, then they post on Monday 12 in the night. Who in the blue moon will be at, okay, we don't know who is your target audience, but let's take for instance, your target audience is Nigerians. Most of them are watching you from Nigeria. How many Nigerians will be at work 12 in the night to watch your content? I don't know what you are giving them in that content, but there is high probability, high possibility, high everything that those people will not be awake that 12 o'clock to watch your video. And every first 2 hours of any content can be very important in content creation. After uploading, if your video is not getting to anybody in the first 2 to 6 hours, there is a high possibility that video is going to go into YouTube pockets, right? That video might not get any view again, and then you begin to blame the algorithm, not knowing that you are not paying attention to detail. You are not paying attention to when you are supposed to upload, how you are supposed to upload, and what you are supposed to upload. Deliver. Sense day. Okay, so when you are starting up, please keep out time that you know that people you are targeting will likely be online to watch that video. That's if you are starting out. But after sometimes, after you've uploaded at least up to like 5 to 6 videos or maybe 10, 20 videos, and YouTube already have like enough data about your channel to give you some data in your analytics, they'll be able to tell you the right time your people are online to watch video, right? Then you will be able to do that. So, but now you are just starting. You don't need to upload. You don't have to upload now. Then you wait till after 2 weeks when you have time to upload. If you want to upload on YouTube, maybe some of you that are coming on YouTube now, you are working, you're having extra work, you are doing something else, then you are adding YouTube as your second this thing. But we that are focused on YouTube, we are here every time, uploading every day. We can't play with that YouTube YouTube algorithm and then give it video today and then think of what to give it again in the next 2 months. No, my brother, we'll be out of business. Even in the like traditional market that you take your product to, there is no product that will come to market today and then wait till after 2 months before they return it back to market. That product will lose relevance. Nobody will know that product. Nobody will know that product. Super excited. That is what incitement can cause sometimes. Nobody will know that product. That product will go, you understand what I'm saying? We'll go nuts. We'll go far away from people. So you have to be in people's faces. But that does not mean you should be giving people sand. You should be pouring sand in people's faces. Most new content creators now, they'll come and be pouring you sand in your face. Though those content sometimes when you are high in the spirit can be enjoyed, you know. That's why they have their own class. They have their own audience, right? So whenever you are uploading, make sure what you are uploading have some relevance. Make sure you are posting, you are talking about what you promised them in the title. Because by the time people start clicking away from your video over and over again, you are only creating this impression that your channel is not good enough to be suggested to YouTube users. So make sure that if your video is 2 minutes, people should watch at least 30% of that video before they click away. 40% before they click away, you are doing well. Right? So make sure you pay attention to some of these details. And another mistake, ogbonge mistake new YouTubers, upcomings make is that they try to like be too formal and then they lose touch to themselves. Be you, be yourself. Like me now, if you check my first videos, I was this formal guy. I want to talk quiet, you know. I want to sound. It's not good. Be you. Are you not watching this guy? What's his name? Javi and what's this guy name again? Oh, my Nigerian followers will know this guy name. Where are they? Are you people here? Tell them in the comment section. What is this guy name? But the girl name is Javi, but I don't know what the second guy name is. That guy is himself. Crazy boy. Always. Crazy boy always. That is him. And that is what people love about him. If you are crazy, naturally crazy, come and be crazy like that when you are giving us our information. Whatever it is you are coming to tell us, come crazily and tell us. Please, the day you decide to be another person, that is the day you deprive us of experiencing you. The day you decide to be another person, I repeat, that is the day you deprive us of experiencing you. Be you and give us you. That is all we need. The last mistake, the last one I want to talk about now. This last mistake is creating content without knowing what you want to talk about. I've worked with people like that. They will just tell you on the camera and we'll figure it out. Whatever we say on that camera becomes content. No. Content creation don't work that way. Have you ever seen a lecturer in a class telling you that, okay, let's go to class, we'll figure it out what to learn in that section during that class have you ever seen a lecturer like that? For some of you that have gone to school, have you ever seen a lecturer that come without presentation, like a preparation, that come without being prepared? You are like a lecturer here on YouTube. Whatever you are telling people, you are teaching them to do or undo. You understand what I'm saying? So you better know your onions. You better know what you are coming to tell people. Be prepared. The last mistake, I don't turn pastor. Most Nigerian pastors will always tell you the last until the service go into 10 hours. This one is the last. The last thing is starting without figuring out the proper niche you are going to be consistently doing videos on. The proper niche you are going to be doing your videos on should be the first thing. Even if you are going to be touching here and there, know in somewhere in your mind that, okay, this thing I'm doing is just experimentation, right? This thing I'm doing is me experimenting what to do or what works on YouTube. But the real me is going to be helping YouTubers to become better on YouTube, or going to be doing sport analysis, or going to be doing political analysis, or even going to be doing social reaction. You're going to be reacting to social trend. If that is who you are, naturally, that is who you want to be. Know that in your head and grow your channel in that line. Don't give the algorithm the impression that your channel is not good enough to be promoted. Until I see you in the next video. And if you are still confused, please click here to watch more. And after you watch that one and you are still confused, there's still going to be another video to help you to get that clearance, that clarity. And if you find value already from this one you've seen, smash the like button, subscribe, and share to as many people as you want. And if you want to remix any part of this video, feel free and remix it. But don't download and upload on your channel. Remix, that is allowed here on our channel. Until I see you on the next video, my name is Solomon, and here is Nexus TV. Ciao, enjoy.